Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we'll be talking about tropical storm naython, or whatever it's called, Invest 92S, and Invest 94W, which was here, but then probably I think it moved because it was here. Probably moved over to there, or moved like that, or okay, from this area moved south and literally went like this. So that's probably what it did, to be honest with you. Invest 92S was here yesterday. Now it's just gonna do this out in the open Pacific, well, out in the open South Indian, should I say, because it's gonna do this. But before it does that, it would take a curve and then dive more north and then take a south again. So, Invest 94W is here, Invest 92S is over here. It's probably going to have to be a very short video, guys. I won't be able to edit this video tonight, as yes, I'm busy. So, Invest 94W, yes, is strengthening at this point. The storm is strengthening at this point as well. If I show you the N8C, nothing's really in the for the N8C. Right. See, nothing active whatsoever. Besides the end of hurricane season today for the Atlantic. Storm. Tropical Tibbets. There we go. Tropical Tibbets. So, if I show you the North Atlantic, you see there's barely anything in the North Atlantic right now. Nothing in the Caribbean either. Nothing really active whatsoever, guys. But there is a little system here, I guess, on the 13th of December. But I don't know if it will form. But yeah, it goes more south and goes north by the 16th of December. So, yeah. Now, naython. Now, we don't know if this is going to become a stronger typhoon. According to the HWRF, yes, it's going to be a very strong typhoon, actually. And then look how quick it weakens. Look, 935, 940, 947, 971 to 998. You see that rapid weakening at that point? Yeah. You can see that rapid weakening at that point. So, yeah. This is when it's completely dead. On the 5th of December, it's when it's completely dead. 4th of December. Yes, it's also when it's completely dead as well, to be honest with you. So if I show the GFS for Invest 92S, Invest 92S, it only has a chance to form before actually it weakening. So here's Hawaii. Apparently we do get a massive system up there. near Hawaii as well. Well, we do have a system that was near Hawaii as well. But honestly, that won't be happening, to be honest with you. See, 999, and then, So, yeah, silent imagery. See, there's nothing really active, so yeah. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. See you in the next video. Peace and have a good day.